Returning officer berepet yang kam election ha Umroi Assembly Constituency, ula khot hajir yau ba Shillong Mail Masharing, ubari election agent jong kertong ka All India Trinamool Congress, uba George B. Lingdo, namar ka jing penlong jing yalang pajpa andala palat por bat klam yo jingbit ha sarang bat ket. Returning officer ha kasiti beningkong ha ka khat nyau tarik urempang arjar pulai, ula ong baka jing hajir pan jing bensyai ka dekat kum ka kaipot pulet namar ka jing penlong jing yalang klam yo jingbit ha kasnong ket, ha ka por sipo bejemen step. Bar ha kasiti ka ba arpan, ha ka juk kasengi ka day namar ka jing penlong ka jing yalang pajpa, andala kot ka por kata palat ya ka sipo bejemen met ha sarang. Dak ba penpau bakine ki artli ki rukom penlong jing yalang kilong pyrshah ya ka model code of conduct. Returning officer ulah hukum yo election agent bau day ban wan ai jing pensyai ha ka arpau tarik urempang arja arpulai ha ka por khatway bejemen step.
Even after so many years, Meghalaya only has one government medical college. Is this the Meghalaya we want to leave behind for our children? It's time to speak up about the issues blocking Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kani ka scheme on pen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khat ar hajating kashi snap shaki kin thei haman la kilong yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka ap nyau terek urempang Shan ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.